With a robust dual-motor system that provides 3,000 watts of peak power, this e-bike effortlessly tackles steep 40-degree inclines and can achieve thrilling speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. A high-capacity 52-volt, 28 ampere-hour lithium battery provides an extensive riding range, and it's conveniently removable and lockable for secure charging and storage. Rider comfort and safety are prioritized with a comprehensive full suspension system featuring a dual shoulder front fork and a rear shock absorber, complemented by responsive dual-disc brakes for reliable stopping power. Its versatility for all-terrain adventures is guaranteed by the massive 26-inch wheels fitted with 4-inch wide fat tires, which work in tandem with a reliable 7-speed Shimano transmission for optimal control. Despite its rugged build, the bike features a high-quality aluminum alloy frame that conveniently folds, making it surprisingly portable for storage or transportation. The bike arrives fully equipped with practical accessories including an intuitive LCD smart display, an ultra-bright 600-lumen headlight, and a rear rack, ensuring you're prepared for any journey.